Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, grade 3. Today we will start Unit 2 of your English Language Tree Book 3. Now, you all also have to open Unit number 2 of your English book. Imagine that you are planning a trip to a place of interest with some friends. What information will you need to know about before you go there? Of course, when you go to a place, you need to have some information about that place, right? So to get that information, you will get a brochure of that place. What is a brochure? A brochure is an informative paper document for advertising which can be folded into template or leaflet. A brochure is of this type shown on your screen, and on a brochure there is information about a specific place, its address, its email address, its phone numbers, its timings, and a lot more. This brochure is made on your page number 11 of your English book. Let's read about it. Old Lahore Culture and Historical Center. This is about a cultural and historical center. Take a step back in time and walk through the realistic recreations of the old Lahore. Over here we will get to know about old Lahore, about the Ravi River, Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, Shalimar Gardens, British colonial structures built in the Mughal style, Lahore High Court, Lahore Museum. Their address is also given on the brochure and also their website. Now, let's come to questions of page number 12. Question number 1. If you went to Old Lahore, would you find out about science, history, or art? What do you think? What is this Old Lahore about? It's about science? It's about Lahore's old history? Or it's about art and architecture? It's all about history. Question number 2. What time is Old Lahore open on Wednesday? Now you have to read that brochure and the timings given on page number 12. Looking at those timings, you will tell that at what time is it open on Wednesday. The answer to this question is it is open from 8 am to 4 pm. In the same way, you have to answer rest of the questions. Now let's come to page number 13, language parts of speech. Copy the table, write the parts of speech in these sentences in the correct column. For example, there is a table given below. You have to write nouns and verbs separately. Alright, in this sentence, Misbah visited the museum. So, Misbah and museum are nouns because what are nouns? Nouns are name of places or people or things. And what are verbs? Verbs are actions that people do. So Misbah and museum are nouns and visited will be verb. Now, let's come to question number 2. Copy the sentences, circle the adjectives. For example, we saw some colorful birds in the forest. You have to copy and circle or underline the adjectives. In this sentence, we can see that colorful is an adjective because it describes the bird. You always have to remember that an adjective tells us more about nouns, right? So bird is a noun and colorful is an adjective because it is telling about what kind of bird it is. Let's come to next question. Copy the words on bold type. Say whether they are nouns, verbs or adjectives. There is a paragraph given, right? You have to see the bold words given in them and then you have to tell that what is a noun, what's an adjective or what are verbs. For example, last week we visited the forest. Now forest is written in bold letters. So what is forest? Forest is a noun. So we will write noun in front of the forest. Let's read these lines. Last week we visited the forest. We left school early because it was a long way. When we arrived, a guide met us. Now, forest is a noun. What is school? School is also a noun. And what is long? Now long is an adjective, right? Because it is explaining about the way. The way was long. So it is an adjective. You have to solve this paragraph in this way. Let's come to page number 15. Question number 2. Add details to make these sentences more interesting. For example, my teacher arranged a trip. Now over here a sentence is given. My teacher arranged a trip. We have to make this sentence more interesting by adding some different information. Like this we can say, last week my teacher arranged an interesting trip to Taxila. In this way, the sentence would be more interesting. Number 1, we saw the village. We can say, yesterday we saw the old village. Number 2, we went to the museum. We can say, on Monday we went to the museum on a school trip. In this way, by adding these extra words, we can make these sentences very interesting. Now let's come to the writing part. Design your own brochure. Design your own brochure for a place of interest near you. Remember to say what you can do there, when it is open, what it costs, how you can find out more about it, right? You have to make your own brochure on a piece of paper and you have to tell what you can do there. You have to write on it, right? Then you have to write when is it open, you have to write the timings. Then you have to say what it cost. There may be a ticket for going there, right? So you have to tell what it cost. How can you find out more about it? You have to give some details. Now for this you can give your contact number or you can write an email address, right? So you have to make your own brochure and paste it on your notebook. Let's come to our homework. Do page number 12, question 1 to 7 on notebook. Do page 13, parts of speech, question 1 and question 2 on notebook. Do page 14, question 3 on notebook. Do word study, page 15, question 2 on your notebook. Do page 15, writing part, question 1. That's all for today. Thank you.